Okay, what is going on here? I'm going to be taking Sola Wood Flowers and turning them into succulents instead of bright flowers. So here's some flowers I've already dyed, blues, purples, and yellows to add to a painting project and some bouquets down the road. But I'm also going to be making succulents out of these for the same project. Now, I'm starting with flowers that I feel like most resemble the look of actual succulents, but you can use whichever Sola Wood flowers you want. They'll all look nice. So a key part of this is the right shade of green. What I have here is just this solid green color mixed with a little bit of white, and then I actually mixed purple with it. And I got this tip from Bob Ross. I love watching his paintings, and often in his shows, when he needs to make a green that is dulled down a little bit to make it more soft and natural, he says to add red. Purple is in the same, color prism as red, so adding the purple that I already had mixed to the green has given me this soft, succulent green color that's gonna be perfect. So thanks a lot for that tip, Bob Ross. So just like you would dye any other flower, take your flower, dip it in the green, make sure it's all nice and coated. Shake off the excess. Just beat the devil out of it. Okay, so now we have our starting point here, a nice green succulent looking flower. Now, while it's still wet, I'm gonna add a little purple to the center because really healthy succulents aren't just solid green. They have little bits of purple and blue and different colors that they turn into from being stressed out in the cold or stressed out in the sun, and it actually makes them look more beautiful. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this purple that I have. I'm just gonna use my finger because I'm lazy. And I'm just gently gonna start dyeing bits of the center, keep most of the color in the center, and just kind of gently work my way out. And I don't want it to overcome too much. I just want to kind of give it an accent of this purple. When you get it to the point of where you like it, I'm gonna again dip it in the green, not only to strengthen the color of the pre-existing green, but also to kind of dull the intense purple that's in the middle. It's not going to take it away because the pigmentation of the purple is much stronger than the green, but it just kind of dulls it a bit. And what you're left with is a little succulent. Leave it out to dry and go on to the next one. I'll do this one now. This is a little more pointy, and we'll just do the same thing. Do a little pre-dip. Make sure you get all the petals nice and soaked. Shake off the excess. Take the purple and just start kind of dyeing the tips and keep it in the center. And on succulents, when this coloring happens, a lot of it happens naturally on the top here, the tips. So I'm not just gonna randomly make splodges. I don't know if that's a word, splodge. Keep the purple on the edges, on the tips here, and then most of it is gonna stay in the center though. So there we have that. Again, re-dip it in the green. And there's your succulent baby. Whatever size you want. This one's a little brighter. You can do different variations. And that's that. Easy peasy. I'm gonna continue with the rest of these. Feel free to watch. I'll just be doing it in fast motion, and then I'll show them as a cluster when I'm done. And that's it. Now we have all these succulent babies. to add to bouquets or an art project, or just to put out as decor, however you want to do it. And that's that. Thanks for watching.